As you all can see that I have ordered my bird food for budgigars and lovebirds. As you all can see, now I am opening these packets. So you could all, I would also suggest you all that you should also buy this food for your birds. See, it is of Kiki company. It is a very good food. I bought 1 kg packet for my birds. It only cost 400 rupees, but its quality is very good, and by eating this your birds will always be healthy. See his ingredients. This type of he looks like this. Here are various ingredients like fruits and many other seeds and many more. I can't read it properly because I think it is in Spanish or any Russian language. See, or you can see these are the ingredients. I I don't seem to that you can see that clearly, but I want to tell that this is a very good food for your bird. So I suggest that please use this feed only for your budgigars. And now the second one, what I have, what is this? And the second thing which I have bought for my birds, that is lovebird food. You can wait a minute, I'll show you. Oh, sorry. Now, as you all can see, this is the food for my lovebird. This is G.O.A.T company, and it is very good food. I am giving so much time ago. I am giving this food only. I want to tell one more thing that my English is weak, but if you like that, please subscribe and like. Okay, now what I'm trying to say is, see this. I suggest this food for your lovebirds. G.O.A.T company. See, and these are the ingredients, and I'll show you because this packet is open. Wait a minute. See, as you can see, these are the ingredients. This contains many types of fruits, seeds, and many more, sunflower seeds, and many other things, which is the perfect diet for your lovebird, and which makes your bird very healthy, and he will always be happy. But I suggest that this food should given 3 to 4 days in the week, not more than, because this feed is heavy. After eating this feed, your bird will be heavy because this feed is very heavy. So I suggest you to only feed 3 to 4 days your bird in the week. So very thanks, Sudhar Singh. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.